Our lecturer for today is Jasfer E. Ventura, graduate of the University of the Philippines, BS Education, major in mathematics, minor in physics, teacher 2 at Jose Abad Santos High School, and lecturer 2 at Universidad de Manila.
In this video, our objective is for us to determine or find the equation of the tangent line to a certain function f of x at a certain point. But before that, hindi natin magagawa itong objective natin. We cannot fulfill this if we do not know what tangent lines mean. Ano muna ba yun? So let's define first what is a tangent line. A tangent line is a line wherein it intersects a certain function. At syempre, alam naman natin kung ano yung mga functions natin. For you to better understand this, let's look at our graph. Okay, so para mas maintindihan nga natin, no, it always helps us kung meron tayong illustration ng problem. So, let's say this graph here is our f of x, and we have here our point P, and this is actually our tangent line. Ano ibig sabihin ulit ng tangent line? It is a line. Siyempre, line yan. It's a straight line na kung saan ini-intersect niya tong function nating f of x at a certain point, and it is very important na ang intersection natin must be only one point. Kasi if dalawang points na yung tatamaan niya doon sa ating f of x, hindi na natin siya pa pwedeng tawagin na tangent line. It's already a secant line. And hindi naman yun yung ating goal for today. We're focusing our discussion sa mga tangent lines. Okay, so let's have our first problem. And ano ba yung problem natin? We're trying to find the equation of the tangent line to our function f of x na given by the expression x squared at x equals 2. We actually have 3 steps para mahanap natin actually yung equation natin yun. For the first one, step number 1, hanapin natin yung slope nung ating tangent line. Nilagay ko dyan m sub t kasi nga ito yung slope ng ating tangent line because we will be having a discussion involving normal lines naman, no? Yung perpendicular. So, for now, let's focus on the tangent lines. So, m is given by the formula, the limit, as x approaches x naught of f of x minus f of x naught all over x minus x naught. Wherein, yung x naught natin, yun yung binigay na value nung x natin. So, palitan na natin ang values yan. This is just equal to the limit as x approaches. Ano yung x naught? That is 2. Ano yung f of x natin? F of x is actually our original expression. Ano yung f of x? That's just x squared. So this is x squared minus f of x naught. Hindi pa natin alam yung value nito all over x minus 2. So, isa na lang dyan yung value na hindi natin alam, yung f of x naught. Ano ba yun? Actually, this is just the value of y na kung saan ang value ng x natin ay yung 2 dito. Paano natin masosolve yun? We simply need to substitute. To do that, palitan lang natin yung value ng x dito using our x equals 2. So, f of 2 is equal to 2 squared kasi naka-square yung x natin, and simplifying, this is just 4. Alam na natin actually yung coordinates ng ating x naught, y naught. At ang y naught na to, yun yung f of x naught ha. Yung x naught natin is 2 and y naught is 4. At magagamit na natin yung 4 na to doon sa ating original na equation natin para dun sa slope. So, this is just equal to the limit as x approaches 2 ng x squared. Ano yung y natin? Yung value ng y kapartner nung 2 natin. That's just 4 all over x minus 2. And kagaya ng ginagawa natin sa limits before, pwede nyo nga substitute, no? Yun nga lang, kapag sinubstitute mo tong 2 dito sa x na dalawa na yan, 2 squared is 4, 4 minus 4, 0 yung taas. Yung ilalim magiging 0 din yan. So, indeterminate yung form natin. We need to do something else para masimplify ito. And if, as you can see, ang x squared minus 4 is actually a factorable expression. So, pwede natin i-rewrite yung numerator as x minus 2 times x plus 2 all over x minus 2. Pwede natin i-cancel si x minus 2. Therefore, ang kalalabasan ng ating limit is the limit as x approaches 2 ng x plus 2. Substituting 2, that will just be equal to 2 plus 2 equals sa 4. Ano yung 4 na yan? That is our slope. This is equal to our m. And are we done? Hindi pa po. Kasi hindi naman tinanong kung ano yung slope ng tangent line. We're trying to find the equation of the tangent line. So to do that, kailangan gamitin, i-recall natin yung point slope form ng ating linya. Ano ba ang ating point slope form? The point slope form of any given linear function is given by this equation, y minus y naught equals m times the quantity x minus x naught. Na kung saan yung y and x natin, they are just your variables. So, palitan na natin yung mga values y naught, m, and x naught. Saan manggagaling yun? This is your x naught, yung 2. This is your y naught, yung 4. As for your m here, your m is the value 4. Kasi yun nga yung sinolve natin using our limits. Substituting everything, y minus 4 equals 4 times x minus x naught is 2. So this is just y minus 4 equals, distribute natin, 4x minus 8. Transpose minus 4 to the other side para yung maiiwan na lang sa kaliwa will be y. Y equals 4x minus 8 plus 4. And pwede natin i-combine tong dalawang terms na yan, giving us y equals 4x minus 4. And are we done? Opo, because ito na yung hinahanap nating equation. The equation of the tangent line to our f of x equals x squared at x equals 2 is given by the equation y equals 4x minus 4. So, let's have another example. Syempre, di ba? Practice makes perfect. So, for our next exercise, find the equation of the tangent line, same direction dun sa ating first problem. Pero ang ating f of x in this case is given by the expression square root of x at ang ating value ng xi equals sa 4. So, ito yung suggestion ko sa inyo. Isulat nyo na lang kagad yung coordinate na x naught, y naught. Bakit? Kasi nga, ito yung dalawang values na gagamitin mo later on para ma-solve natin or para makapag-come up tayo doon sa ating equation. Ano ba yung x naught? Yung binigay na sa ating value, that would be 4. Hindi pa natin alam yung y naught. But y naught is, it can be easily solved. Papaano? I-substitute mo lang tong 4 doon sa value ng ating x, doon sa f of x natin. So this is just, syempre, f of 4 equals square root of, dyan yung x, papalitan natin yung x ng 4, square root of 4, this is just equal to 2. So, meron ka na bang y naught? Opo, ito na yung y naught natin. So, 4, 2. Ano na yung susunod na gagawin natin? Let's solve for the slope of our tangent line. To do that, we'll have the equation na yung m equals the limit as x approaches x naught ng ating f of x minus f of x naught all over x minus x naught. Palitan natin yung mga variables dyan ng ating values. So this one will be limit as x approaches, ano ba yung x naught natin is 4. F of x is just square root of x minus, ano yung f of x naught natin, yung sinolve natin dito, which is 2 all over x minus 4. Now, if you notice, Pag sinubstitute ulit natin si 4, yung ilalim magiging 4 minus 4, 0. Yung itaas, square root of 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Indeterminate yung form natin. Now, we need to do something else para i-simplify ito. Paano natin gagawin yun? This one, continue natin dito sa side ng ating board. So, this is equal to the limit. As x approaches 4, sulat natin itong square root of x minus 2 all over x minus 4. At kung naaalala nyo, kailangan natin actually si conjugate ni square root of x minus 2. Bakit kailangan si conjugate? Kasi kailangan nating i-rationalize yung ating numerator. Paano yun? We need to multiply this by the expression na square root of x, palitan natin yung sign nito ng plus 2. Ng plus. So, therefore, itong ilalim niyan dapat pareho lang nung nasa numerator. Para ang minumultiply natin would be equivalent to 1. Wala tayong binabagong value. This one is equal to, simplifying, the limit as x approaches 4 ng, yung numerator natin would be x minus 4. At itong ilalim na dalawa, wag na natin i-foil yan. Ipagtabi na lang natin yung dalawang factors natin. Bakit? Kasi pag ginawa pa natin yung foil, hindi mo madaling makikita na this one can be cancelled. May x minus 4 ka sa taas, may x minus 4 ka sa baba, pwede mo na i-cancel yung dalawa. Meaning, ang naiwan na lang natin sa atin ay the limit as x approaches 4 ng 1 all over square root of x plus 2. At pwede na natin gamitan ng substitution method, di ba? This is just equal to 1 all over square root of 4 plus 2. Simplifying, this is just 1 all over 2 plus 2. And this is just equal to 1/4. Are we done? Hindi pa. Siyempre, slope pa lang to it. This is just your m. So, kailangan pa nating hanapin yung totoong equation natin given by the point slope form na y minus y naught equals m times x minus x naught. Ano yung y naught natin? Yung value na nakuha natin dito, which is 2. So, palitan to ng 2 equals, our m is 1/4 times x minus, what is x naught? That's 4. There you go. Yun nga lang, mas maganda, especially sa math natin, nakasimplify yung mga sagot. So, this one is equal to y minus 2 equals distribute 1/4. So, we'll have x over 4 minus, pag times natin to, that would be 1. Transpose negative 2 to the other side of the equation, giving us y equals x over 4 minus 1 plus 2. Kasi lumipat na nga yung minus 2 to the right-hand side of the equation. Y equals x over 4. Negative 1 plus 2 would be positive 1. So, lagay na natin si plus 1 dyan. And we are done. Nahanap na natin yung equation ng ating tangent line sa ating function na f of x equals square root of x at x equals 4. Okay, so now we know how to find the equation of the tangent line to a certain curve or function. Paano yun? Let's recall the steps. Number 1, kailangan mahanap natin yung point of intersection ng tangent line tsaka nung function nating f of x. Paano? Diba? Binigyan tayo ng x naught and we can easily find the partner y naught by simply substituting the value of the x naught to our function f of x. The second step would be for us to find the slope. Paano natin masosolve yung slope natin? Ang equation dito or yung formula natin would be the limit of f of x minus f of x naught all over x minus x naught as x approaches x naught. And last but not the least, gagamitin natin yung point slope form ng ating linear equation which is y minus y naught equals m quantity x minus x naught. And ang remaining na step na gagawin nyo na lang would be to simplify everything else para magmukhang y equals mx plus b yung ating equation. So for our next lesson, now we will be dealing with derivatives.
Hi! Kung sa tingin ninyo kami nakakatulong sa inyong pag-aaral bilang estudyante at kung kami nakakatulong sa inyo bilang mga magulang at mga guro, please do subscribe to our channel. We wanted to reach as many as possible. And in exchange, we will commit ourselves, our time, and little resources to create more videos na makatutulong para sa kinabukasan at maayos at mabisang pag-aaral ng bawat estudyante sa ating bansa.